Hello, and welcome to a brief introduction to Defect Scribe. Defect Scribe makes you more efficient and effective when testing by recording every action you take and writing them in clear, consistent English sentences. With screenshots automatically captured and highlighting the controls interacted with, Defect Scribe makes your bug reports complete and accurate. When launching Defect Scribe for the first time, you'll enter an initial evaluation period. At any time during the evaluation, you can purchase a full license to Defect Scribe by clicking on the Purchase Now button or by visiting www.qawizard.com. The main Defect Scribe window allows you to choose which application types to watch. These include already running applications, websites using any of the most common browsers, Java applications, or Windows applications. Let's start with a web application. I enter in the URL and then click Record. The Defect Scribe record bar opens up, allowing me to cancel, stop, or pause recording. In addition, I can add comments. First, I'll perform a few actions. Next, I'll add a comment about my testing. I can choose a comment type of general, question, warning, or error, and optionally include a screen capture. Once I'm done testing, I click the Stop button and my report is generated. Each action I've taken is recorded, along with a screenshot highlighting the relevant control. At this point, I can do a number of things. If there are steps I don't want to include, I can delete them. I can also reorder steps and add additional comments. Finally, I can edit the steps themselves. I can change or edit the text of the steps. I can choose to not include the screenshot, or I can use the built-in image editing and annotation tools to help clarify the image. Once you've completed any editing, you can now save the report in several formats: HTML, PDF, or Word. You can also email the report. If you're using TestTrack Pro for issues and defect tracking, you can directly create a defect from the report, and the Steps to Reproduce section will be filled in. There are a few options you can configure. If you're using Defect Scribe for exploratory testing, you may want to limit its record to a certain number of steps or limited time period to avoid having to do a large amount of post-editing. I'm sure you can see how Defect Scribe can make all your manual testing easier and result in higher quality defect reports with less effort. To learn more, please visit www.qawizard.com. Thanks for watching.